Open shifts allow you to add a shift that is not assigned to a user, but instead free for employees to claim. You can add an open shift in the same way as a regular shift. However, it needs to be added to the Open Shifts row. Go to your Rotas page and find the day you'd like to add a shift for. Click the Open Shift cell and a shift box will appear. Enter the shift times and optional break. You can then enter the role. This is important as only staff who can work that role will be able to claim the shift. If you choose not to add a role, any staff member will be able to claim the shift, providing it doesn't clash with an existing one. Add an optional shift note and then decide if you'd like to publish the shift. If unpublished, it will only be visible to those who can edit your rota and won't yet be available for staff to claim. If you choose to publish the shift, it will be immediately visible to staff on the app, and after around 10 minutes, a notification will be sent out making them aware that an open shift is available. Once a team member claims the shift, it will automatically be assigned to them and move down from the Open Shifts row to their rota. To keep up to date with all claimed open shifts, you can enable your notifications in your settings. Any claimed open shifts will also appear in the shift history should you ever need to check.